One habit messing up your sperm cell. That is what I want to share in this video. One most dangerous habit you as a man should avoid to always perform well, to always be fertile, and to avoid erectile dysfunction or anything that may cause you not to perform well as a man. So make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the very end to know one habit you should avoid to always have a good sperm cell. But before I proceed on this video, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. If today is your first time to come across this channel and you want to know more about men and natural ways to keep men, consider to be a member of this channel by hitting the like button, subscribe and turn on the bell so that you will get notified each time I publish video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. Now, for every man to perform well, he needs to avoid some habits to live longer and to also perform well. For every man to have a good sperm cell, he should avoid some habits and adopt some good ones to enable him perform well. And now, what is that one habit every man should avoid to have a good sperm cell? And that habit is exposing yourself to chemicals. Yes, men are not advised to expose themselves to chemicals, especially chemicals that may paralyze or destroy the growth of your immune system. When you inhale chemical, you don't know that it may disorganize the growth of your sperm cell, affect your immune system, and also make you not to perform well, not to be fertile. And chemicals can cause cancer. Chemicals can make man not to perform well because some chemicals can destroy your respiratory system. So avoid exposing yourself to chemicals. If you are a man, you want to always perform well, you need a good sperm cell, you want to avoid erectile dysfunction, anything that will disrupt your performance as a man, avoid all and make sure that you adopt the good ones to enable you perform well as a man. So this is one habit that men indulge, not knowing that it affects their sperm cell and also affects their fertility and performance. So exposing yourself to chemicals is not good. It's not advisable. Some chemicals can lead to cancer and also disrupt the growth of your immune system. So this is what I want to share in this video, and I strongly believe that you get value. Please, to know more about men, natural ways to keep men, consider to be a member of this channel by hitting the like button, subscribe and turn on the bell so that you will get notified when next I publish video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. If you have questions and comments, drop it down in the comment section. Comment on this video, let me know what you think. Like and share this video to your friends and families. I wish you good luck, success and good performance as a man. See you in my next video. Bye.